Hey guys, welcome back to my home. Today we're going to cover focaccia. So we've got about 3.5 cups of flour. I'm going to get some hot water. Our water is going to be 110 degrees. How we're going to check? We're going to use a thermometer. So what we're going to do is we've got one package of the dry active yeast. I've got 2 teaspoons of sugar, and that's going into our tepid water, and that's going to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, I gave it a little stir, and it's starting to foam and move around. If your yeast is dead, do not proceed. Obviously, no yeast, no bubbles, you're gonna have a rock when it comes out of the oven. So I've also got some fresh herbs here we're gonna put on top of the focaccia and some beautiful tomatoes. So that'll all be in due time. So when preparing a focaccia, you can use tomatoes, you can push olives in there. You want to get adventurous, what about some pears? I think that would be really great. So we're going to get our tomatoes cut. Those are mise en place, ready to go. Our yeast is coming along nicely. We're going to get ready to mix soon. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a fresh bottle of olive oil. Fantastic. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of this beautiful olive oil. Look at that. So we've got our olive oil mixed in with our yeast. Nice and foamy. Fantastic. That's going to go right into the middle of our flour. 3.5 cups of flour. And we're just going to start mixing with the spoon. Otherwise, it's going to be an absolute mess. We're gonna need our focaccia, and we're gonna need in the bowl. We're gonna turn it onto the countertop, and at this point we're gonna add the salt. We have 2 teaspoons of salt. What I'm doing is I'm using the palm of my hand. We're pushing the dough in. We're gonna give it a bit of a 1/4 turn and then keep pushing. So you're working the dough like a stand mixer would, but I'm Stan the mixer today. Once this is nice and smooth, we're going to oil the bowl, put a damp cloth on top, and we're going to put it into a nice warm spot. We're ready for our first rise. We're going to take some olive oil into the bowl. Use your hands. We'll give the olive oil, kaboom. We'll get a towel, we're going to make it moist. Wring it out real good. And our focaccia is going to go rest. Into a cool place. Be back soon.